Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Club Wyndham Bali Hai Villas. It's a 3-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are free parking, free Wi-Fi, family rooms and a non-smoking rooms. These Hawaiian condos are 1 mile from the Bali Hai beach and feature 2 outdoor pool. The apartments have a fully equipped kitchen and a spacious living room. Free Wi-Fi is featured and laundry facilities are standard in all apartments at the Club Wyndham Bali Hai Villas. The units are also feature tropical decor and are cooled by ceiling fans. Guests can play tennis or relax in the hot tub. The property also features a children's playground and tropical garden. The Wyndham is 5.5 miles from the Kilauea Lighthouse. The Limahuli Garden and Preserve is within a 15-minute drive of the property. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.